Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to reset your router. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Resetting your router is a great way to start fresh, especially if you're troubleshooting persistent issues or preparing to hand it off to someone else. Here's a step-by-step guide. Types of router resets: soft reboot, restart. Simply unplug the router for 30 seconds and plug it back in. Useful for resolving temporary connectivity issues. Factory reset, hard reset, restores the router to its original settings. Deletes custom configurations like Wi-Fi name, password, and port forwarding rules. Ideal if you're troubleshooting persistent issues or preparing to sell the router. How to factory reset your router. Method 1. Using the physical reset button. Locate the reset button, usually a small, recessed hole on the back or bottom of the router. Use a paperclip or pin to press and hold the button for 10-30 seconds until the lights flash. Wait for the router to reboot. This may take a few minutes. Method 2. Reset via router settings page. Open a browser and enter your router's IP address, commonly 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Log in with your admin credentials. Navigate to System, Administration, Settings, or Management, then Device Management. Select Factory Reset or Restore Defaults. After the reset, once your router reboots, reconnect using the default Wi-Fi name and password, usually printed on the router. Reconfigure your network. Set a new SID, Wi-Fi name. Choose a strong password. Adjust security settings. Reapply any port forwarding or parental controls. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.